Best actor! Go, man!
Ayaw ko lumapit sa'yo.
Best in bed.
Good job, my idol. Rockstar. My idol. Congrats. Yes, you're going to Nalo. I will live. You're going to the park, John. Of course. Napaki pa ako. Grabe yun. Grabe yun. Yung pala yung sinisigaw.
Congrats, Son! Congrats!
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Reaction after watching yung... Ang galing.
Wala, speechless. Sobrang, I mean, yung pelikula lahat. Wala, sobrang masaya lang kami. Sana, yun, takiligin ng marami, supportahan, panoorin. Hindi sila magsisisi, for sure. Alam yan.
Congrats! Jello, congrats!
Thank you, Vito.
How was it after watching you?
Saya nung ganitong crowd talaga kapag full house yung cinema, tapos yung interaction with the audience and you see their reactions. Parang naging worth it talaga lahat ng pinagtrabahuhan ng buong team. Kaya excited na ako magpasko, excited na ako magpanood ng lahat ng tao.
Congrats! Ang galing-galing mo.
Salamat, Vito.
Gabi, congrats! Ang galing-galing mo as always. Congrats, Sasi! Congrats, Sir Tirso!
Nagpapasakan na naman.
Kanya pala. Kanya.
Kaya sabihin nyo sa Batangas, huwag luluko-luko ha. Huwag luluko-luko.
Yan, Kalesi. Ha? Ako.
Tita Lenas.
Relax. Thank you.
Miss Vilma, congrats po!
Yes,
How was
thank
it po after watching it finally?
Oh my God. Hindi rin ako humingay.
Grabe.
But anyway, it's ano talaga, it's injustice talaga na revenge talaga of a mother. tinupad lang niya yung pangako sa anak.
Ramdam na ramdam po namin. Palakpakan na.
Promise? Thank
Best
you.
actress.
Ay, sus! Salamat. Thank you.
Oh, Black Band. Congrats.
Thanks, Reg. I love you, Reg. Thank you. Thank you. Ay, salamat. Thank you po. Hindi, basta, I don't know kung pareho, pero naramdaman ko yung ganun talaga ng magulang. You know, yung injustice na we have sa society. You get me in revenge of a mother. Na, that's how I felt. Maybe because I'm also a mom. You know, so wag luluko-luko. Bigla, kaya wag kayo luluko-luko sa akin. Or else. Thank you.
Congrats po, Sir Tirso.
Parang open ball party yun eh. Ikaw na yung masama susunod.
Hindi, kami na, ako na papatay na.
Congrats po. Any reaction lang po after watching the show? Ganun.
Well, gaya nga sabi nga namin, we were expecting na it would be a different story, it would be a different Vilma Santos, different Aga Mulak. Well, nakakabigla talaga yung ending, yung naging last part ng movie talaga, nakakatakot eh. Actually, yun yung ano ko eh, nakakatakot siya.
Congrats po. So, how was it finally watching Uninvited, your father on the screen?
Honestly, ang ganda guys, ang ganda ng movie. It was really a twist, really a fun experience, and you know the performance of Vilma and my dad, and Nadine also grabe galing. Just the supporting cast rin was really nice to see.
Without spoiling it, ano yung pinaka-favorite part mo dun sa movie ng dad mo? Or kahit sa anong scene?
Kasi baka i-spoil ko eh. Guys, panoorin nyo na lang kasi baka i-spoil ko. Pero just basta the performances and everything was really great.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Congrats.